welcome back to my channel. I've got a friend. Her name is Manuela.
Hello. She's my pest there.
She used to bother me, this person.
That's so true. She's the best.
We live in the same village.
Village or town.
We live in the same town, so we came out today from our cage. We're in Edinburgh. We are going to be doing Edinburgh tour. I'm here with my family, and I've got Manuela. She's from
St. Lucia.
They don't know where St. Lucia is.
She's always calling me Caribbean.
Is it not Caribbean?
Yes, it is. But
Uh-huh.
I'm from St. Lucia too.
But it's the Caribbean. She's from the Caribbean, St. Lucia.
Yes.
Beautiful island, really.
Indeed. We'll take you there someday.
Yeah. So we're in Edinburgh. I'm going to bring you around. We'll first go for the bus tour. Then from the bus tour, we'll go to the Edinburgh market, Christmas market. And we're going to spend our day here. If these children allow me. What's that?
We will have a good time.
Yes, I hope we will have a good time. Yeah, we're in Edinburgh. Really beautiful. Oh God, we're going to go into it. Look at how busy Edinburgh is today. Oh my God.
So this is the city tour.
Okay.
It goes up Edinburgh Castle, Grass Market, Royal Mile, National Museum, Holyrood Palace, basically the main attractions of the city. It's only £8 and it's hop on hop off. There is a bus every 20 minutes in all the stops. In this tour, kids for example go for free and you can take it at any moment from 9 to 4.
Okay, we are going now.
Yeah, you can go.
Yes, okay.
Right?
So do we go with this or no need?
Oh, I print the ticket here.
Okay, you give us the ticket. Okay.
Do you want to get it?
Yes. So we're going to pay for 3 adults. Then the children are free. That's fine. This is making me look very big. Look at my face. It's very busy. Very, very busy. So we're going that way.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too.
Have you been to this side before?
Never.
I think it's Andrew Street. Oh, this place is big. Yes. We want to cross. Okay. Come. Yes?
Love me like a stranger.
What is this one? Father Christmas was what? Oh, look at Father Christmas. What is this one?
A lion.
It's what?
A lion.
Oh. Is it a lion or a sheep?
Lion.
No, the nose looks like sheep. It's not a sheep. Oh,
Looks like a lion.
is it? Look at this in this camera. Look at it in this camera. Look at the nose. Come, come.
You see? It's a lion.
Okay.
It's a lion with a
Go there and take a photo. So we're at the St. Andrew's Square and we're going to take our bus now so we don't miss it.
We can walk. Let's cross the road.
Yes, let's go. We got tickets already. Thank you. one of those buses. So I'm trying to find which one. Huh?
Is it that one?
He's got the ticket. I don't have it. So.
Where's that ticket?
Have you been told the times of the buses? Yeah, headphones on the right hand side, they're in the white bags. George, headphones.
Okay.
Okay, the buses leave on the hour, 20 past and 22. The last
right.
bus is at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
And we start at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Okay. Thank you. Hi. So we need this? All right. Upstairs.
I think there should be enough seats. Just double check.
Oh, we want upstairs,
Should
please.
be okay. I think the seats at the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Manuela. She will go. I think she can go. Yeah.
Alright.
It's in the pool, but I'll cover over to keep the sun off you as well. So you just walk.
Are you sitting there? I'm going to sit up there. Oh, yeah. We're giving this headset. We're going to have it on, and it goes into this place. Who has coins? Where's Manuela? Me too. I didn't take my coin back. Oh. I love this. I only have paper. But I think it's 10. Ready? Why is she going away? Coins, okay. If you want to video, you need to put coins. What is this, for God's sake? I think you're going to start feeling crazy. You're going to start feeling crazy inside. Look at the wheat tree. By the castle's restaurant. Yeah. It's the whiskey experience. Are you close?
He went down to attack the land, didn't he? Once one left. So brought the Saxon mysteries. He decided to stay. That became the Anglo-Saxons. In the north of Ireland, but I've never been, I'd love to visit the points of the judgment.
I know this ticket is to be expensive. Let's ask how much. Official website, that's if you booked online. So we are at the Edinburgh Castle. Yay! Who is he?
Why I like the
Something like he's Scottish, yeah?
Who wants to snap there? What's that? What does that mean? Why? Where are we going to ask for the ticket? Oh, this man. I think we're supposed to buy our ticket somewhere. Jesus. We wanted to buy ticket, but we're not allowed to buy ticket. We're supposed to buy the ticket online, maybe yesterday for today. So you can't buy ticket on the same day. We wanted to buy ticket into the castle, but unfortunately we can't go in, so we need to buy online and then prepare to come for so I think you have to buy a day before, I think. Yeah, so that's it. We'll try to head back to Edinburgh Waverley to the Christmas market and see. Okay.